Quicken Classic tutorial walkthrough. I'm going to tell you how to use Quicken Classic for managing your personal and business finances. Quicken Classic is a desktop based software available for both Windows and Mac that lets you track income, expenses, bills, budgets, and investments all in one place. After installing the app, the first step is setting up your accounts, bank, credit card, loans, and more. You can connect them online or enter everything manually. Once linked, Quicken auto downloads transactions and categories them, which you can review and adjust under the Transactions tab. The dashboard shows an overview of your financial health, cash flow, spending trends, and budget status. For budgeting, go to the Planning tab where you can create monthly or yearly budgets, set goals, and monitor actual versus projected spending. If you're running a small business, Quicken Classic Home and Business version adds tools for tracking invoices, clients, tax deductions, and profit and loss reports. For investments, the Investing tab shows portfolio performance and capital gains. Back up your data regularly, either to the cloud or a hard drive, to avoid losing progress.